Even though we did it on Monday. Okay, so if you want to find a y-intercept algebraically, what do we do? What did we do on Monday? We plug in 0 for which letter? The x. So if we want a y-intercept, we plug an x for a 0 for the x, and then you're going to evaluate. Okay? So then remember I put PEMDAS on the board? P stands for what? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Good. What does the P stand for? Parentheses. So, do we have parentheses?
Yes.
Yes. What is 0 plus 8? 8. Okay. E stands for what?
Exponent.
Exponents. Logs are a type of exponent. So we have to evaluate the exponent or logarithm. What is log base 2 of 8?
3.
3. Do I need to explain why?
No.
No. Okay? I'm going to explain it because I heard someone say yeah. Okay. So it's 3, but here's why. It's log base 2. 2 to the third power is 8, and I'm using that inverse law, so this drops out. Okay? All right. Then I have minus 5. So what do I get?
Oh, it's -2.
-2. Okay, so that's pretty simple.
Yeah.
Gianna?
How can you have to change it?
It has to be 2 to what power is 8? So a lot of you know that in your head. It's 3. But some students don't, so it helps them to rewrite it as 2 to some power. And so
even the 5's like not in an exponent spot, it's still no. Okay.
yeah, it's the addition subtraction part at the end of PEMDAS. The minus 5. Okay? That part's okay? X-intercepts are harder. Okay? So, let's do the x-intercept. This should be example 3. Okay? And it says intercept, so we're going to do x and y intercepts, okay? Let's see. Do I have this on? Okay, I'm going to do mine this way. Okay. So, I'm going to find the x-intercept, and then I want you guys to practice finding the y-intercept. You guys want to do the y-intercept first? Give you guys a second to try it. Find the y-intercept. Okay, everybody take a minute, find the y-intercept, and then we'll check it, and then I'll show you guys how to do x-intercept. Set 1 minute timer. Okay, let's see here. Uh-oh! Uh-oh, I tripped. Okay. Is that what you guys got? Okay. Now we're going to find the x-intercept. So if we're finding the x-intercept, what do you think we have to do now? Put 0 for the y, okay? So I like that. Y equals 0. Or f of x equals 0, because they mean the same thing. Okay? So I'm going to put a 0 here. Okay. I need to get x by itself. What do you think we need to do next? Add 1. Good. So you end up with 1 equals log base 4 of x plus 16. Now we have a logarithmic equation that's similar to what we had on the back side of worksheet 3. How did we solve those equations? What did we do? So exponent. What do we want the base to be? 4. Good, because I want to eliminate this. So if I exponentiate by 4, these are opposites. So I have to exponentiate this side too. What is 4 to the 1 power? 4. What's left on the right-hand side? X plus 16. How do I solve for x? Subtract 16. What is 4 minus 16? Negative what? 12. Okay? Not so bad? Okay, there are 2 more. You're going to have an issue come up, though, with one of your intercepts. Okay? So, if you have an issue, circle it, highlight it, something, because I do want to talk about it. But, we're going to want to talk about it. We're going to want to go over it. Okay, so there's a problem that's going to come up. So, try them. Okay. Okay, did you guys get some answers for example, the B one, the second one?
You think it's not even the slightest bit possible?
I heard no. Okay.
Are you triggered, Joey?
What was the x-intercept for this one, number 2? 12?
Shots fired. Shots fired.
What's the y-intercept? Not possible is correct. Do I need to go over this one, how I got 12? Okay, let's go over it and then I'll show you how we got not possible. Okay. All right, Natish, tell me, how do I find the x-intercept?
X-intercept?
Yes, for this function here.
Okay, so you'd first set the y to 0.
Set the y to 0. Good. Okay, then what do we do?
Then you would add the 3 to each side.
Add the 3. Excellent.
Now you get the logarithm, and then you'd set the 2. So
The 2?
You'd set the log, like you'd add the 2 thing. I don't
Okay.
know how to. Yeah, I don't know how to put
The
it.
2 thing? Exponentiate?
Yeah, exponentiate, and then it'd become 2 to the 3rd power.
2 to the 3rd power. Excellent. That's 8, isn't it?
Yeah.
Excellent. Good.
And then you'd add 4 to each side, because x to the
Okay, and then 8 plus 4 is?
14, so x equals 14.
No.
Wait,
You got it wrong.
Come on.
no, 12.
Wow,
Sorry.
there you go.
It sounded good in my mind.
Okay, good.
Come on.
Okay. Haley, can you help me find the y-intercept? How do I find the y-intercept?
So you set it up for x equals 0.
X equals 0. Excellent. Okay.
I tried to do it the first one, but if you try to do that, I don't know.
Okay. Then what do we do?
Then you do 0 minus 4, which is negative.
Ah, 0 minus 4 is negative 4. Excellent.
But then you can't do it because it's
You guys remember that from objective 1? I can't say 2 to some power is a negative 4. So it's not possible. Okay, so you would say none. Okay, that's because this cannot be negative. And if you look at your graph, if you were to graph it, in your homework you'll be graphing them too. You'll see it'll be a graph that looks like this. Let's see. I'm going to try to draw it real quick. So this one is 4, 3, 4, negative 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Uh-oh. Take it back. It's 4. Positive 4. So my graph would be that way, and it doesn't actually touch the y-axis at all. Okay, so you can say none. Okay, good. Let's look at our answers for the third one. Example 3, 3. Okay, this one. What did you guys get for the x-intercept?
Oh. Is it e squared, e to the 5th power.
It's 1 over e to the 5th power.
Oh,
Do I need to go over that
my
one?
mistake.
Okay, let's see. Spencer, can you tell me what I need to do first to find the x-intercept? I want to do that, but I need to do something first. That way I don't have f of x minus 5. Put a 0 here. Good. So I'm going to put a 0 there. And then we're going to subtract 5 on both sides. Okay, good. Okay, so class, we have ln x. What's the invisible base on ln x? E. So this is log base e of x. Spencer, what should we do next to get rid of that log? And what do I want that base value to be? Yes. Okay, so this cancels out. I'm left with x equals e to the 1/5 power, negative 1/5 power. How did I get my answer that I showed a few minutes ago? I didn't have a negative exponent. How do I get rid of the negative exponent? Turn it into a fraction. What's in the numerator? 1 over what? E to the 5th. And that's what I had. Very good. Now you could use Desmos or any calculator to approximate that value. Okay, great. Okay, let me see. My y-intercept was none. Do I need to go over that one?
Yes.
Okay. So, let's see here. KG, how do I find the y-intercept? What do I need to do?
What would be log?
Uh-huh.
What is x?
What about log x? I don't understand.
It'll be 0.
0. 0 where?
So x.
0x?
The x would be 0.
The x is 0. Good. So I end up with f of x is equal to ln 0 plus 5.
Yeah.
And isn't ln log base e?
Yeah.
Okay, so I need log base e of 0. So that means, ooh, what was it? You can't do it because e to what power is 0? Nothing. So you're going to say none. Okay? You're going to say none. Okay, so if you want to take a couple minutes and add the x and y intercepts to your homework, great. But then I want you to do the rest of the time.